To change the text background color used for caption on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference. Next, tap caption size and style. While the caption style is set to custom, scroll down the screen. Tap background color and then select the color you like to use. As the example, we will set it to black. However, if you like to know how this text background color will look like when it's applied, you can see its preview on the preview section at the top of the screen. By doing this, if you have set to enable the caption, the setting will be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.